Hello, everyone. Welcome to the community of LinkedIn Growth Lions. I know every one of you is here because you know the power of LinkedIn in 2020, or it's going to be 2021 in the next few days. And you want to unleash the power of LinkedIn, the LinkedIn's algorithm that you want to know how it's going to work, how it's going to help you achieve the organic growth that you want for your business or for your personal brand. So today in this training, I'm going to share everything about LinkedIn growth, how we are going to achieve this LinkedIn growth in the coming months, and how the community which we have built is going to help you to achieve this. Because see, we have two different things. One is the community, second one is the strategy. So I'm going to share both of you. We already have the community. I'm going to share the strategy today with all of you and how we are going to implement the strategy to build a brand for our business, for personal, to get leads, to go, if you want to get a job, if you want to uh, just influence people, if you already have a brand on different places, right? So over here, I'm going to share everything step by step. What we just need to do is follow every single step, follow the community guidelines, and help everyone in the community to achieve their goals, whatever they want. If they want more leads, we can help them. The community is going to help them. If they want more brand awareness, obviously they can get it. If they want a new job, they can get it, they can find it. So there are different ways which we are going to share everything over here. So let's just get into this, okay? So you can see my screen over here. I will just tell you about myself. I forgot to do that. My name is Ajay Singh Shekhawat. I'm currently running a digital marketing agency named Invincible Lion, and mostly I'm catering business in B2B. Obviously, that is why I am trying to harness the power of LinkedIn. Uh, then SaaS companies, software companies, software as a services, which people are selling, and all the people who are trying to sell high-end tech products. So their courses are worth like uh, let's say $500 to 1,000 and $5,000 even. So this is what I'm currently doing, and that is why we are here, because we want to harness the power of LinkedIn. So I will not waste your time. We'll just directly get into the training part. So see, over here, I have mentioned that to unleash the power of your LinkedIn, to get more leads, more brand awareness, and more sales for your business. If you want to grow a personal brand, you can use LinkedIn. If you want to grow as a company, B2B company, obviously LinkedIn is a great place. If you want to, uh, if you are looking for highly trained people who can actually help you achieve your goals in your businesses, you can find those people on LinkedIn, because it is a professional network that you are actually trying to get into, right? So today I'm going to talk about two different things, a formula which is going to help in our LinkedIn journey, you and me. The formula comprises of two different things: strategy and community. Community, you're already in the community. If you're in my WhatsApp group, you're already there. And I have also built a Facebook group. So after WhatsApp group, because it's after this training, we will be mostly sharing the strategies, or what is working for you, what is not working for you. Let's say after 6 months, what is work what is working today may not be working after 6 months. So at that time, we can keep this community alive on our Facebook, because on WhatsApp, we have a limit of 256 people, I guess, right? And our community is growing. So the strategy part I will share. First, I will discuss about the community, because see, in community, we have some guidelines that you need to follow to be in the community, to respect everybody. That is why in my WhatsApp group, only admins can post, so that because we need to automate things and we need to build our businesses, and all these things should be standardized, okay? And people should not be just posting to get some likes without building any connections. And this is, if you are just uh, if you are just waiting to get engagement, it's not going to help you in the long run, which I have seen in a lot of groups which are there for LinkedIn, right? That is why I have built this community to get the right thing done. So two things, strategy and community. First, I'm going to talk about the strategy. No, not strategy, the community. Okay. So first, let's talk about the community. So whenever you are on a new platform, nobody knows you, right? And nobody's going to like your post, nobody's going to comment, nobody's going to share. Let's say you have posted something about your company. Okay. If 1,000 people are seeing, which is currently happening to my post, if 1,000, 2,000 people are seeing, I'm getting 10 to 15 likes, 2 to 3 comments. Why? Because a lot of people over there doesn't know me. Now they don't know me and they don't see me as authority. If they have not taken a services from any service from me, and if they have not visited my profile, they will not see me as an authority, and they are not going to like, they're not going to comment, they're not going to share, right? So this is what a lot of us lack when we are joining any new platform, be it Instagram, be it Facebook, be it YouTube. We lack the community power. So that is why community will come first, and then the strategy will come. Because I have seen, if you have built a community, you can surpass the strategy. You don't need to wait for the strategy to be there. So community comes first, and that is what we are doing over here. So whenever you're looking, whether you are looking for a job, new clients, and you want to influence more people, it will only reach to audience when you have a community to support, like and share. Let's say you have just joined LinkedIn, you must be having only 50 people or maximum 100 people in your connection, which I've seen in a lot of I think some people have filled our form. And over here, let's see this Mr. Paul, he has only 160 connections. That means if 160 people are there on his connection list, let's say max to max, only 10% will get to see his post. So that is 16 people. Let's say maximum, max to max 20 people are going to react. Two people, right? So this is the thing we are lacking. And over here also, Ritik Verma, only 384 connections. So they don't have the community, they don't have the right guidance. That is why we are lacking over here. So first thing, when you have a community, it will give you the illusion, not you, the people who are seeing your post. It will give them the illusion that you are popular because people like your post, people comment on it, people engage with you. This will give an illusion that, oh, this person might be seeing something interesting. That is why people are following him. Okay, so this is the psychological part of your marketing or brand building that we are going to do over here. The second is LinkedIn's algorithm will help you reach more people, because see, LinkedIn is in the initial stage of what Facebook was in 2012 or 11 or 13 at that point of time, right? So at that time, whenever we used to post something on Facebook, it used to get viral. A lot of people used to see it. But this is not happening at this point of time. Why? Because the growth has reduced. But in LinkedIn, if let's say I have posted something and 10 people have liked my post, their connections will also see the same post. If they're commenting, obviously the reach will be wider. But if they are liking, even then people will see your post. Now, when we are building the community, let's say currently I have like more than 8,500 connections or followers, both included. And now, if we are building a community and everyone in our community has more than 5,000 followers, now you can imagine how we are going to impact, right? Let's say if one person, let's say only 10%, 10 people are liking my post, you see the community power, right? Only 10 people with 5,000 followers, it means 50,000 people. This is the potential that we can reach with our community. So this is the potential that you can get in LinkedIn at this point of time. Maybe it's not going to happen in 6 months, next 6 months. Maybe it's not going to happen in next 1 year, but at this point of time it is happening, and you need to harness that. So uh, I have given you the overview about the community. Let's get into the onboarding part, how we are going to onboard every single person on the community. So we have a WhatsApp group and a Facebook group, which I have recently created. So I think in WhatsApp group we have around 120 people, and obviously they are going to grow. In 3 days, we got this many people, and we have WhatsApp group where people are passionate. Okay, so everybody in the WhatsApp group or who is going to join in the future is very passionate to grow their LinkedIn game, right? That is why they are here. So first, if you are already in the WhatsApp group, what do you need to do? Stay there, because I've seen a lot of people are leaving, and I want the same thing. If people are not passionate, they should leave. Now, once we have discussed everything about the community, about the strategy, then obviously you can leave the WhatsApp group, but you can join our Facebook group, which is, you can find it if you search LinkedIn Growth Alliance, the same name with our WhatsApp group, and you will get the link. You will get in the Facebook search. But if you want the link, this is the link. I will share this in the description below, or I will share the slides also, right? So WhatsApp group, Facebook group, two different things. Now we have one Google Sheet. So what is there in the Google Sheet? I've already shown you your name. You just need to describe your name. You don't need to give your email addresses, phone number, because I'm against spam, right? So I'm not going to spam you anyway. This sheet is to track things. And what we are going to track, because see, if I'm seeing the number of followers which our community have, what we can do, we can segregate people based on this. We can help them achieve what they want, right? Second, continuity of posts. So I post regularly. Let's say this person posted, Mr. Jan posted on 1st December. Last time he posted. Varun posted on October last, right? And these people like 23rd, 23rd, 23rd. So we need to understand this. If we are understanding all these things, then only we are going to achieve our targets. And this is a profile activity. Uh, this is your LinkedIn profile, recent activities, what you are doing. That means we will just check how many posts you are sharing, what kind of posts you are sharing, so that we can get an idea. Also, this training I will share to people only who have filled this form. Okay. So, yeah, if I have your LinkedIn profile, I will share it with you. So yeah, this is the sheet which is required. And over here, last engagement with our community hashtag. This hashtag we are going to use for every single one, because see, now you will obviously wonder how I'm going to find all the posts which are there in our community. So this is a new hashtag which I have recently uh, created, LinkedIn Growth Alliance. And this hashtag we are going to use on our every single post. Currently nobody is using it. Now obviously people will start using as they will get to know about it. So I will prefer that every one of us should engage with every single post every single day. You don't need to invest a lot of time over here. Just once a day, sit and like, comment on all the posts which are there. So this is a Google sheet that you need to fill up if you want to get. Obviously, if you are seeing these videos, you are there on the list. Now, follow and use the community hashtag LinkedIn. I have already told you, LinkedIn Growth Alliance. That is our community hashtag. Don't reveal it to anybody because we don't want intruders, right? So this is we are going to use on every single post of ours. Daily engage with the community post. As soon as you will click on this hashtag, I will just show you. Let's say I'm here, and if I'm going to my posts and activities, A lot of operations are happening on my laptop, so it may load a little slow. But see, I have posted it 13 hours ago. So see, along this is my personal hashtag which I'm using, Invincible Lion. Apart from this is the hashtag LinkedIn Growth Lions. If I will click over here, I can see all the posts which are there on this particular hashtag. So you need to use this hashtag every on every single post which you are sharing on LinkedIn, so that your community will get to know, okay, one new post is here from our community. So this is mandatory. Then you need to daily update about your posts and engagement in the Google Sheet. So it will not take a lot of time. Let's say you have engaged today, what you need to do, just because if you are posting daily, just keep this blank, okay? Or you can just type, I post regularly or daily, but you need to update this on daily basis. What you need to do, just post the date. Let's say today is 25th or 26th, I guess 26th. Yeah, 26th. That's it. This is what you need to do every single day. Just mention the date which you have on which you have engaged with all the community posts, right? And if you're posting daily, you can use this. If you're not posting daily, you can obviously need to put the dates. This will help us get the idea, get the data, and help you better. So yeah, this is about the community. We have covered about the community, every single thing, what you need to do, how you need to do, and how we are going to standardize a process that is going to help us in the long term. Okay, so from the next videos, I will talk about the strategy. So I will conclude this video over here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.